Hi, Sherry.
Hi.
Hey, so tell us about how TeloYouth has changed your life.
I'm getting better sleep. I have more energy. I feel 10 years younger.
Wow.
And my cholesterol numbers have come down just in 1 month of taking it.
Oh my goodness.
I've only been on it for 2 months. And I just feel so much, I don't have the brain fog like I used to do.
Mhm.
And even when I noticed I don't even get PMS symptoms anymore either.
Wow. And how much are you taking?
I'm taking 4 in the morning and 4 in the at bedtime.
And 10 omega?
4 per meal.
Oh, wow. Wow. And then you said you sleep better? Energy?
Yes, no more brain fog.
Wow. And this happened just in 1 month, you said?
I've been on taking it for just a little over 2 months now.
And how about your cholesterol blood
My
test?
cholesterol numbers have come down just from 1 month of taking it.
Oh my goodness. Can you show that one more time? That is amazing. Would you recommend TeloYouth to
I highly recommend taking TeloYouth. I've been telling my friends about it. My mom has started taking it and she feels amazing results like me.
Oh, she's been taking it too?
Yeah.
Wonderful. Well, thank you so much, Shay.